How to add contact to list on HubSpot. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a contact to a list on HubSpot. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your HubSpot.com and you will log in to your account. After the initial sign up or sign into your account, this is where you will get. On HubSpot, we have different options. We have contacts, conversations, marketing, sales, services, automation, and reports. So in order to create a new contact, you will have to click on the contact option here, then select the first one. It will open up the context for you. So if you already have some context, then it will show you the contact list. To add a new contact, click on create. And here you will have to enter email address, first name, and last name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter an email address, first name, last name. Then you have to enter a contact owner, job title. So she is a CEO, phone number. Then you have to select the life cycle of your lead. If it's a subscriber, lead, opportunity, customers. This is actually a customer. Then we have a lead status, and you're going to select new, open, in progress, open deal, another. So this is a new one. Once you enter all of the details right here for the contact, you will click on create, and your new contact will be created on HubSpot. You can see this is our new contact, and now I can do a lot with HubSpot. We can write an email. We have our phone call option, notepad. We have our own calendar and many other options using HubSpot. So yeah, guys, I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.